Howdy, my name is Patrick Cox, and this is my name mnemonic project. So, as I said, my name is Patrick Cox, or Pat for short, and this is how I can correlate my appearance to help you better understand my name. So, if you look closely at this picture of my sister and I at her ring ceremony, you'll see that my hair is kind of curly, or at least it was before I joined the Corps. So another thing that has curly hair is a poodle, just like the one on the screen. Poodle is a type of dog, and when you see a dog, usually you want to pet it or pat it. Pat as in Patrick, or pat as in petting. And then you can see in the picture that this poodle is also in a box, which rhymes with my last name, Cox. So just to translate it all, Pat the dog with the curly hair in the box. Pat, short for Patrick, and box rhymes with Cox. So a little bit about me. I'm originally from San Antonio, Texas. I transferred over here from A&M Corpus Christi. Now I am at A&M College Station, and I'm in the Corps of Cadets. As well, back in high school, I used to be in a competitive hip-hop and performance dance team. So these are just a few little things about me. Thanks for listening.